In this video, we're showing you how we've adapted our Hegner scroll saw and explaining why. The adaption then that we've made to our Hegner scroll saw is to do with this piece here. As you can see, what we've done, we've added this wooden grip. Now, this scroll saw is a really important part to what we do here at the Lovespoon Workshop. Over the course of a year, we do tens of thousands of cuts on our Lovespoons using this saw. And what we found was this metal part, this metal grip on the inside, because we're carving, we're doing a lot of hand carving, we found that this metal piece just inside there, that actually over a period of time, it would cause us a lot of problems. It would hurt our hand and it would basically rip the calluses that form on our hands. We actually rip them off. So what we've done, we've added this wooden surround, and it's larger then, and it's far more comfortable. So what we find is that when we're working with the scroll saw, having that little adaption of a wooden larger grip makes it far easier to tighten. Makes it far easier to tighten and loosen the scroll saw itself. So it's a simple little adaption, but that simple adaption, it actually saves us a lot of discomfort over the course of a year. So for anybody else who's got a Hegner scroll saw, might not be an issue for yourselves, but for us, we were having problems with that. So if anybody else is having that problem, it's a slight adaptation that's worth considering just to save yourself having the discomfort of having the calluses ripped off your hands and things like that. So there you have it. That is how we've actually adapted our Hegner scroll saw, and just a brief explanation for why we've done it. Hopefully again that video is useful for you all. If it is, don't forget to put a little thumbs up. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell so you know when we upload another video. And as we always say, thank you again for watching.